So this is a Bendix air compressor off the MaxxForce 7. This one is pumping oil. It's got dripping out of the air dryer, and it was starting to get into the air tanks. So it's 3 years old, and we've got the reman ready to go on. And also in the valley, this exhaust manifold found a crack. See that? Crack in the cast, so that's got to be replaced. One advantage of the air compressor, it's remote, it's belt driven, so it's not a major operation compared to a gear driven air compressor. Just a gasket and mount it up and hook everything back. It's not too bad. And manifolds just in the valley joins the turbos. So that won't be kind of external parts, and we'll be back in operation probably in 3-4 hours. Good to go.